Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 10 digital marketing tools you need in 2025. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So first up here, we have MailChimp. Now, if you're into email marketing, MailChimp is likely already on your radar. Now, it's one of the most popular email marketing tools out there, and for a good reason. Now, with MailChimp, you can create email campaigns, automate them, and track the results. The platform also allows you to segment your email list, which helps you send more personalized content to your subscribers. So how exactly is this essential for 2025? Right, email remains one of the most effective ways to engage customers and drive conversions. MailChimp's advanced analytics and automation make it easier than ever to optimize your campaigns for better performance. Plus, it integrates with most other marketing tools you're likely using. And on top of that as well, if you do, let's just say, have a Squarespace website, Wix, or WordPress, any of those other platforms, you can connect it straight away, and it's easy enough to do as well. So here's a little tip as well. When you are using MailChimp, use MailChimp's A to B testing features to test different subject lines and content formats to understand what resonates best with your audience. So what I'll do as well is I'll just show you a quick overview on what you can actually create on MailChimp. Now, it's very simple to use. You'll have an option here to create your email. And you will get a couple of options here for regular email, automation, or landing page. The one that we're going to choose is the regular email. Now, we can decide whether we want to design this from scratch, basic layout, or fully designed template. And again, you've got 7 options that are free to use. The rest are all paid for. Now, once you select your layout, you'll then have an option here for all your different content. You could do your layouts as well. So it's pretty much straightforward. I'll go ahead and create one now. Okay, so what I've done here is I went ahead and added a logo onto the email itself. So easy enough to do, just go to the update brand kit. It'll give you an option then to upload your own logo on the top right. Now, it is best as well to set an alt text for this, just to make it accessible. And you can also add a logo link to this. So what I'm going to do now is just adjust this. So I do have the option to scale it down. So around there would be okay. And from this, I'm basically able to build up my email. I could use layouts just to help me out. So I can just drag and drop. And let's just say I wanted an image on the far left, I can. And if I wanted a heading just on the right side, I can do that as well. But of course, with a heading, we'll have to have a paragraph as well. So just be careful as to where you put these. You can see where it sort of lets you know where it's going to be marked down at. This is the full width here. You can see that this is the half of the width of this layout. So I want to just put that under the heading. And you can see now that I've got my image, my heading, and my paragraph. So it is very simple to use, and then you can come up with some pretty creative email marketing campaigns, and with the help of AI tools out there to structure an email for you, you have a potential then to have a very successful email marketing campaign. So we'll jump on to our next tool. And that tool is going to be ChatGPT. Now, there are several different AI tools out there, like Claude, Perplexity, and you've also got Copilot and Gemini, but I would say the ChatGPT is one of the best ones to date. Now, ChatGPT, I would say, has completely revolutionized content creation. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that can help you with everything from blog posts to email copy and even answering some customer queries. So why exactly is this essential, especially for 2025? Now, content is a huge part of any digital marketing strategy, and ChatGPT makes content creation faster, more efficient, and scalable. So whether you're writing product descriptions, drafting social media posts, or generating blog ideas, ChatGPT can help with this. You can use it for brainstorming ideas, drafting content, or even generating entire paragraphs that you can fine tune. Now, just a little bit of a tip: when you use ChatGPT, use it to create content in bulk, and that'll save you a whole lot of time. Just ensure that you edit and refine the content to match your brand tones, style, and of course its identity. So let me just show you how you could use ChatGPT. Now, to the far left side here, you'll have an option there for a sidebar that'll basically pull up all of your different chats. And to the top left, just beside that sidebar, you'll have an option then to open up new chats. So imagine ChatGPT as just a person that you've never met before. So you want to give it as much information about your business as possible. So you would enter in that prompt. So we'll just say we're a digital marketing company based in Belfast. So of course, the more detail that I put in here, the better. But what I'm going to do, since we have a website, I'm just going to enable the search function. So I'm just going to say that. So I'll just wait for it to reply. So you can kind of see what it's given us here. It's actually given us a full detail of who Profile Tree is, which is great. I'm going to turn off the search function now, and what I'll enable here is I'll give it a prompt. Can you please create a 7-day social media strategy? So this should give us exactly what we need. And now that's going to give us 7 days worth of social media content. So ChatGPT is, of course, capable of more than this. You can use the upload function for your documents, PDFs, images as well. And you can ask it to change images as well. So let's just say you took a picture of let's just say you took a picture of a car. You can ask it to change the color of it as well, and it'll replicate the exact same design, but maybe a different color. So again, I would use ChatGPT for 2025. It is, again, a very fantastic tool to use, and it can be a game changer for your SEO, especially for brainstorming ideas as well. So moving on to our next tool here, which is Ubersuggest. Now, Ubersuggest is a powerful keyword researching tool. Now, it's excellent for discovering keywords that can drive traffic to your website. It also helps you check your SEO health. So with Profile Tree here, we'll be able to see what's going on. Again, you could see that we have a 94 on-page SEO score with 35,000 monthly traffic, got 66,000 organic keywords. So pretty much really good. Now, with Ubersuggest, why is it exactly essential for 2025? So with SEO remaining one of the most important aspects of digital marketing, Ubersuggest gives you deep insights into your competitor's SEO strategy. Now, it helps you discover which keywords are driving traffic, and it offers suggestions on how to optimize your content for higher rankings. Now, one thing that you should take this as a tip, basically, so to focus on long tail keywords with low competition. Now, Ubersuggest helps you uncover these, which will give you more opportunities to rank for specific search queries. So up next is Samrush. Now, this is another tool that's essential. Now, Samrush is one of the most comprehensive tools for SEO, content marketing, and competitive analysis. So whether you need to track keyword rankings, audit your site's SEO health, or research competitors, Samrush pretty much has you covered for that. Now, how is this essential for 2025? Now, SEO continues to evolve, and Samrush provides a wide range of tools to help you stay on top of the latest trends. So with features like keyword research, backlink analysis, and site audit, Samrush is perfect for improving your organic search performance and tracking your competition strategies. Again, it does have a load of different options here, such as competitive research. You've got keyword research there, link building, on-page and tech SEO, which is great. Now, use Samrush's site audit feature to continuously monitor your website for any SEO issues, and that'll ensure that your site stays optimized for search engines. Again, that's also available for the free version as well. Now, another really good platform is Google Analytics. Now, this is one of the most widely used tools for tracking and analyzing website traffic. Now, Google Analytics gives you in-depth insights into where your visitors are coming from, how they interact with your site, and how they convert. Now, you can see here how we can view our active users, our new users, our views, and it also gives us our reports as well. So with these reports, I can check out my acquisition, my engagement, monetization, and retention. And as well as this, I do have a snapshot of my reports. So currently where my active users are within the last 30 minutes. I can see my active users, which is 23,000. I can also see where they're from and the amount of where my users are coming from, which is mainly organic search, which is 15,305. And some of these people are coming directly and searching up for Connolly Cove themselves, and that's about 2,384. So that's still a really good platform or tool to use. Now, why is Google Analytics essential for 2025? So Google Analytics provides valuable data on user behavior, which is crucial for refining your marketing strategy. Now, in 2025, understanding your audience's preferences and actions is more important than ever. So with Google Analytics, you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and campaigns. So moving on to our next tool, which is Hrefs. Now, this is another powerhouse tool for SEO professionals. Now, Hrefs is widely recognized for its backlink analysis, keyword research, and competitor analysis features. Now, it's especially strong in helping you track your website's backlinks and discover high-quality backlink opportunities. So why is this exactly essential for 2025? Now, backlinks continue to be a major ranking factor for Google, and Hrefs is one of the best tools for building and monitoring backlinks. Additionally, Hrefs gives you access to detailed keyword data and lets you track the performance of your content across search engines. Now, whenever you are using this platform, make sure that you regularly monitor your backlinks with Hrefs and aim to build relationships with other websites in your niche to earn quality backlinks. So next up is Canva. Now, Canva is a really good platform when it comes to creating high quality visuals. It's got an easy to use interface and it's got a vast library of different templates. Now, you can create stunning designs for social media, email marketing, blog posts, and several more. Now, how is this essential in 2025? Now, visual content continues to drive engagement across all digital channels, and Canva helps you create professional looking graphics even if you don't have a background in design. Now, in 2025, businesses will stand out better with Canva designs or just visually appealing designs. And that's where Canva steps in to make that easy. Now, here's a little tip. If you do use Canva Pro, you have the option then to use the additional features such as resizing images, you can remove backgrounds, or you can also have more access to those premium templates. Now, you don't necessarily have to use Canva Pro in order to get the sort of templates you want. Every single template on Canva itself were just made up with elements. So let me just demonstrate this now. Whenever you select create design, you can choose anything that you want here. Let's just say we're going to go for an Instagram post. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So now I've got multiple different options here. I can go for, let's just say, an Instagram post square. Now this will be perfect for Facebook as well because they have the same dimensions. And if I wanted to quickly create a testimonial, just as long as I'm on design, I can go ahead and search up for testimonial. Click on the one that I like. And it's as simple as just modifying it to how I want it. So I can go ahead and remove the background if I need to. I can change that for a color instead. Or if I want to remove this guy, if I want to adjust elements as well, I can do that. So it is just a very simple tool to use, especially if you want to create some visuals. So this is another really good platform to use, which is BuzzSumo. Now, this is an excellent tool for discovering trending topics and content that resonates with your audience. Now, by analyzing the most shared and talked about content, BuzzSumo helps you uncover content ideas, monitor competitors, and identify influencers. Now, if you do go for a free trial, you do have it for about 7 days, and that gives you plenty of time just to check out what exactly you can use it for. Now, how is this essential for 2025? So, of course, staying on top of content trends is crucial for staying competitive. BuzzSumo not only helps you find trending topics, but also provides data on which type of content, this could be articles, videos, or infographics, that performs best. Now, it's also great for monitoring your content's performance across social media. Now, here's a little bit of a tip. If you use BuzzSumo to track your competitors' content, you can identify any gaps in your own content strategy, and that'll be a good advantage for your business. So our next one here is the Google Search Console. Now, this I would say is an essential tool to have for any website. It's really good for tracking your website's performance on Google search results, and it helps you monitor search traffic, track keyword rankings, and identify any issues that may affect your site's visibility. So how is this tool essential for 2025? So in 2025, understanding your website's performance in search engines is vital. Now, Google Search Console provides real-time insights into how Google sees your website, and it helps you identify technical SEO issues that could hinder your rankings. Now, whenever you are using this, use Google Search Console to regularly monitor your website's indexing status and fix any crawl errors that may impact your SEO efforts. Again, you could do that by URL inspection. So if there's any particular URL out there that's not being indexed, you could just place it into here. Or you can go to your search results and also have a little look at your queries as well and your pages. So that's another reason as to why Google Search Console is a good tool to use. Finally, we have Google Trends. Now, this is a free tool that shows you how search interest in specific topics such as keywords, queries, is trending over time. Now, Google Trends is particularly useful for identifying emerging topics and understanding what your target audience is searching for. So how is this essential for 2025? Staying ahead of trends is essential for content marketing and SEO. Google Trends helps you spot up and coming topics. So any sort of topics that can drive traffic, engagement, is pretty much perfect for content creators and marketers who want to stay ahead of the curve. Now, when you're using this, just a little bit of a tip, use Google Trends to identify seasonal trends or viral topics in your niche and create timely, relevant content that capitalizes on this interest. So just to give you a bit of an example, if we just do a keyword right now, or digital marketing, let's just say, we'll just explore that. Then you can compare this as well, let's just say, with website development. Of course, you would have to pick two keywords that are pretty close with each other, and then this will enable you to find out which tool or which keyword you should be using. So we'll just do web development. Try that again. So then I can tell you the average there. So currently, not a lot of people are searching up for web development, but a lot more people are searching up for digital marketing. And it breaks down by sub-region as well on where it's more popular. So that's pretty much the Google Trends. So there you have it. That is the top 10 digital marketing tool you need in 2025. So as you can see, from email marketing all the way to AI-powered content creation to SEO, these are all very essential for your marketing needs. Now, if you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.